Hello, it's Clinton Gray, and in this tutorial I'm going to help you with 5 tips on how to get the most out of Google. And it's all going to be bike related, how you can search for terms that are going to help you get the best out of Google. So we're going to get stuck in. Right. Tip number 1 is searching for a specific search term. As you can see here, we've used quotation mark, KTM mudguard, close quotation, and every option that Google has given you the term specifically KTM mudguard. So that's going to help you isolate websites with only your specific search term. So the use of quotation marks either side of your search term has that effect. The second tip is you found a website, but you want to know if there are other related websites that are available. So then the answer is to type in the word related, colon, and then the URL of the website that you want the related websites to compare to. So in other words, in this one we've used related, colon, www.ktmdurban.co.za, and all the options, all the related options that Google give you are related to the KTM Durban website in one form or another. Tip number 3 is, let's say for example you're looking specifically for a PDF or a PowerPoint about your specific search term. So it's very simple. What I've done here is I've used KTM 530 colon PDF, and Google has only given me options with PDFs, which is fantastic. You don't waste time getting random links. You can also use colon PPT, which will give you PowerPoints. You can use colon XML, which will give you spreadsheets, etc. Right. Tip number 4 is you've got a search term in mind. I've used motorcycle. Now you want every website that only has motorcycle in the title. So in other words, the shortcut is in title colon and your search term motorcycle. And what Google does is it only gives you websites with the term motorcycle in the title. And the last tip, and this is very useful, if you're concerned about your privacy online, www.startpage.com runs SSL encryption, and it doesn't allow cookies to be captured. It also protects your privacy from your internet service provider. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed and find the tips useful. If you'd like to make a comment or give any constructive criticism, don't forget to put it in the comment section. And if you'd like to support the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to tag the little bell. That's it for this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.